What's going on, guys? It's Jay from Dirty Boy Tools, here to bring you a set of nut drivers from Swanlake. I got these a little while ago and I haven't really had an excuse to use them. I was going to incorporate them into maybe a Maxpedition EDC pouch, but I think I'm going to actually bring these with me in my tool bag. I don't think it could quite fit into my tool pouch as I don't have any space, but who knows what the future holds. Now, I thought about these yesterday. I was working on a job and I had a bunch of 10mm bolts, like a lot of them. It wasn't that many, it was 16 of them, but that's a lot for me. For someone who has a pliers wrench and a wrench on him, you know, taking out those bolts with those tools is not efficient enough. Of course, I had sockets on me in my bag, but my bag was far away from me and I didn't want to walk back to get them because I'm lazy. You know, that's too much work. And I'm stubborn. Eventually I had to give in. I walked back. I got a set of, well, these are standard. I got a set of metric sockets, 10mm, and I was able to use them with my Vim ratchet, and it made life easier. But going back there, finding these in my bag, then finding the metrics, and then having the adapter, it's a little bit of extra work, you know, and it's not all aggregated into one area. But with this, all your sockets are there, 4mm, 12mm, 5/32 to 1/2 inch, all on one set, and you can clip it to your belt loop for easy carry, or you can, you know, put your belt on it if you use sockets a lot. And I think this is going to make life a lot easier for me. I got several ways that I'm going to use this. So one way is with my Vim ratchet. Let's take out the 10mm. So obviously I could use it as a conventional ratchet, and I could use it as a T-bar driver, little breaker bar if I want to. I also carry around my vessel driver. So my vessel typically holds my Phillips and flathead, just, you know, something I could get out quickly. I can always take these out, put the sockets on. Now I have myself a vessel nut driver. And then another option I can have is getting an impact gun, putting this in the chuck of the impact gun, and, you know, a lot of possibilities there, and a little bit less frustration, a little bit less steps taken in there to make something work for me. So I plan to use these more in my tool bag. I plan to carry these on me. Maybe I'll carry them in my pouch, but like I said, probably not. It's probably not going to happen because there's a lot of space on there and I'll have to rethink some things. But I want to share this with you guys. I will include a link for these in the description, and if you guys have any ideas or what you guys use for your socket systems, I'd love to hear about it. I know I've been checking these out. These are by Vaco and Klein, the little linear sockets, but I gotta see if this will really work for me. I think this can work in my tool pouch, but I need to get some metric and some standard. We will see what happens.